The first day of rehearsals in Munich had already become unforgettable for everyone lucky enough to witness it. Long before the main concert was scheduled to begin, thousands of fans had gathered outside the stadium, hoping to hear even the faintest sound drifting from inside. Some had traveled across Europe, while others had flown from Asia, North and South America. And countless other countries simply for the chance to be part of another unforgettable BTS concert weekend. Every law, every melody, and every teeny glimpse of movement on stage seemed capable of turning into a memory that would last forever. Inside the stadium, however, the atmosphere was completely different from the excitement outside. Instead of dazzling lights and perfectly timed choreography, the stage was filled with crew members carrying equipment, dancers reviewing formations, technicians checking microphones, and musicians making final adjustments. The members moved around comfortably, joking with one another while making sure every detail was perfect before the official performance. Taehyung had arrived with his usual calm smile, greeting every staff member he passed. His relaxed personality immediately lightened the mood backstage. Jungkook, meanwhile, was already testing his microphone, singing short lines from several songs while walking across the innermost stage. His voice echoed through the empty seats, reminding everyone just how impressive the stadium's acoustics were. All the rehearsals were serious work. They were never completely serious. BTS had always found ways to turn ordinary practice sessions into unforgettable moments filled with laughter. One member would suddenly begin dancing to a completely different song. Another would imitate a choreographer. Someone else would burst into exaggerated applause after the smallest accomplishment. Those playful moments helped everyone stay relaxed despite the demanding schedule. As the rehearsal continued, the production team paused several times to adjust lighting angles. During one of these breaks, the members gathered near the center of the stage, chatting while drinking water and teasing each other about forgotten choreography from years earlier. Taehyung couldn't stop lying after watching Jungkook dramatically pretend he had completely forgotten a dance move. "You practiced that all morning," Taehyung joked. Jungkook grinned. "I wanted to see if anyone noticed." "Everyone noticed." "Exactly." The other members lied as well, shaking their heads. The playful conversation continued until the music started again. Everyone immediately returned to their positions with the professionalism fans had admired for years. The transition from joking around to complete focus happened almost instantly. Several songs later, another short break arrived. The dancers sat down near the side of the stage while technicians hurried to replace equipment. Some staff members checked camera positions for the evening's recording, while others discussed teaming over their headsets. Taehyung slowly walked across the stage, looking out at the rows of empty seats. It looked completely different tonight. He quietly said. Jungkook joined him. "It always surprises him, no matter how many concerts we've done. The audience changes everything." Taehyung nodded. "They bring the real energy." For a few moments, both simply stood there, imagining the stadium filled with purple lights. Nearby, one of the choreographers called everyone back together. Another rehearsal began. The music echoed throughout the venue once again. Despite practicing the same routines countless times, the members still encouraged each other constantly. "That looked great. Let us try one more time." "We're almost there." Small words of encouragement created an atmosphere where everyone wanted to perform even better. As rehearsal progressed, little unexpected moments kept making everyone smile. Jimin playfully interrupted a formation just to make the others laugh. J-Hope exaggerated one of the dance moves until the entire stage burst into laughter. RM jokingly blamed Invisi. Bell stage gremlins universamo on missie taka. Even the crew couldn't help smiling. Everyone understood that this moment helped release pressure before an important concert. During another pause, Jungkook sat on one of the stage monitors while catching his breath. Taehyung walked over holding 2 bottles of water. You forgot yours. I knew someone would rescue him. You were confident. I was. Taehyung handed him the bottle before sitting nearby. Neither spoke for several seconds. Sometimes silence between close friends felt just as comfortable as conversation. Eventually Jungkook smiled. Nervous. A little. Двойной апостроф. You. The usual amount. They both lied. No matter how experienced they become, performing in front of tens of thousands of fans still carried excitement. That excitement never completely disappeared. It simply became part of every concert. As technicians prepared another lighting sequence, colorful beams swept across the empty stadium. Blue, purple, white, gold. Even without an audience, the stage looked breathtaking. The rehearsal continued late into the afternoon. Each song became smoother than the last. Every transition improved. Every camera angle was adjusted until everyone felt satisfied. The production director finally announced another short rest before the final run-through. Some members stretched. I was chatted with dancers. Several staff members applauded after watching one particularly impressive sequence. Taehyung looked toward Jungkook, who had started quietly humming while absent-mindedly practicing small dance steps. You never stop rehearsing. I don't even notice anymore. That's probably why you're so good. Jungkook lied. You sound like my coach. I'm giving professional feedback. I'll accept it. Another wave of laughter spread through the group. As the afternoon slowly turned toward evening, anticipation continued growing. Outside the stadium, fans could occasionally hear distant music during rehearsal. Every faint sound sparked excitement online. Social media filled with posts wondering what songs might appear during the concert. Speculation spread rapidly. Would there be surprise performances? Would there be different outfits? Would there be new choreography? No one knew. Inside, however, the members remained focused only on delivering the best show possible. The final rehearsal began. This time almost everything flowed exactly according to plan. The lighting synchronized perfectly. The dancers hit every formation. The musicians sounded incredible. When the final song ended, applause erupted from everyone working behind the scenes. Crew members congratulated each other. The production team looked relieved. Months of preparation had finally come together. Taehyung smiled while looking around the massive stadium. We're ready. Jungkook nodded confidently. Let us make tonight unforgettable. The others agreed enthusiastically. They gathered together in a circle near center stage, placing